Have you ever heard of panel lottery, where you buy one TV expecting a certain panel and then you end up with another? This happens more than you know. Panel lottery occurs when TV manufacturers like Samsung, LG, HiSense, TCL use different manufacturers for the same TV model. When you're expecting a VA panel but you get an IPS, or vice versa, or in Samsung's case where you're expecting an OLED from Samsung, QD OLED, but you actually get an OLED from LG, which is WOLED. A lot of brands do this. Samsung does this with their QD OLED VA panels as well as IPS. LG, on the other hand, does this with their VA. VA started in 2024, where they started replacing the IPS panels. Hisense and TCL, they mostly manufacture VA, but they outsource it to different companies as well. Not all TVs with the same model number are created equal within the same brand. So, how do you get ahead of this? You should pick manufacturers on what their strengths are. For example, LG manufactures IPS as well as OLED. Samsung, on the other hand, manufactures VA panels mostly, as well as mini LEDs. TCL and Hisense, you should go with VA panels. Another remedy that you can do is never buy online, always buy offline from trusted vendors and trusted suppliers, and make sure that the TV model and the panel technology that you asked for is exactly what you're getting. These are some of the documented cases in case of LG, Samsung, and Hisense.